County District 22, Engine 22, Engine 23, Engine 13, Truck 12, Truck 25, Rescue 24, Battalion 4, Battalion 2. Respond for a possible commercial structure. Fire 160, Spring Boulevard across the Via Mercado on TAC 4. All companies responding on TAC 4. Several callers reporting flames and black smoke seen coming from the top of the structures. Will be behind the marquee sign of the San Lorenzo Theater.
All units, Engine 22, talk to me. Make this a working structure fire, establishing the Saturday. We have the San Lorenzo Theater where black smoke coming from the top of the platform entry and pulling a line. We have hydrants approximately 22 away.
2213 on scene, what are your wishes? My scene, make your fire attack.
I copy that. Your IC will be fire attack. We're still working on forcible entry. I'm going around the Charlie side right now to get at it.
I'm going to try and get my firefighter. Copy. I'm going to have you assist with fire attack.
We're going to be pulling an MSA to the Charlie side. Looks like we have a lot of smoke production coming out the Charlie. We're going to go around the Bravo to the Charlie.
Copy that. I'll go. Can I get
Now to developing news in the East Bay. Crews are keeping an eye on the historic Lorenzo Theater in San Lorenzo after a fire broke out there this evening. At one point, you could see flames coming up through the roof. The theater is located on Hesperian Boulevard. The fire started at about 5:30. The Alameda County Fire Department says crews had to fight it from the outside because of fears the building would collapse. The Art Deco style theater was vacant and had stood empty for nearly 40 years.
I've wrapped the building. We have a heavy smoke production out of the Charlie Delta corner.
This is Marion Alpha, the Bravo Charlie corner set up for vent. Truck 12, that's affirmative.
I see Rick Engine 24 is on stage.